CEA Industries, CEAD, now trading under the new ticker VAPE, is gaining significant attention following its recent rebranding and acquisition of Fat Panda, a prominent Canadian vape retailer. The change in ticker alone has sparked a wave of speculative interest, with traders pointing to historical examples where ticker changes, especially catchy or hype driven ones, have triggered short term spikes in share price due to increased visibility and retail momentum. The acquisition of Fat Panda is also fueling bullish sentiment among some investors, who see it as a strategic pivot into the growing North American vape and cannabis accessory market. Supporters argue that this move could diversify revenue streams, open new retail channels, and potentially reposition the company in a higher growth niche compared to its legacy operations. Community discussions reveal a split narrative. One camp highlights CEA Industries' relatively modest market cap and decent cash reserves as reasons the stock could be undervalued, especially if the new business direction gains traction. They point to past cases where a fresh narrative and retail buzz around a meme friendly ticker have led to massive short squeezes or momentum driven runs. However, skeptics remain wary. Some investors question management's ability to execute the new strategy successfully, citing past operational missteps and concerns about leadership turnover. There's also active debate around the risk of potential dilution if the company issues more shares to fund its expansion or cover operating losses. Overall, Vape's unusual combination of a speculative ticker change, a pivot into a trendier sector, and an uncertain but potentially lucrative acquisition has made it a hot topic in small cap and penny stock trading communities. Traders are keeping a close eye on volume spikes, social media chatter, and technical breakout levels, with many debating the best timing for entry and exit if a price squeeze materializes.
Okay, so we're just replaying what has happened. Intraday high is 172.93, so it went all the way from 8.88 to $172. That was, I mean, you do the math. You do the math. So definitely not a stock to buy at the moment, but that's just, yeah, it's the replay is done now. Definitely not a stock to buy at the moment. Let's see now. We have it's just reached its down projection here, 65.4, 65.45. Upper projections all the way towards 106.43, and indeed all the way towards 172.93. The odds of that printing again is there. Actually, it is there, but don't rely on that. Don't wait for that to happen again. Let's see now. 2 minute charts. Let's see what we have. We have down projections all the way, very seriously negative down projections, which is what is projected. No guarantee that they will print either. Um, let's look at the 3 minute chart. 3 minute charts. What do we have? We have 19.85, 198.50. Sorry, 198. But yeah, that's even higher than 172.93. So 198.50. Okay, interesting. Okay, let's come down to the 5 minute chart. 198.50 as well, and also downward projection 9.61. Okay, let's see the 4 1 hour chart. Yeah, got a rejection. That reject. We have prices expected to remain in place up till when it's gonna be in a few hours. That will be um yeah. It's not expected to remain in place. It's expected to print its peak 6 a.m. New York time. That is today, the 28th of July. And then after that, lower prices are expected to print. No upper projection on the 1 hour chart. Let's have a look at the 2 hour chart. Yeah, downward projections as well, 7.73, 8.02, 8.5. Interesting how we have those highly ambitious projections on the 5 hour chart, 3 and 5 minute charts. And here we have downward projections. Yeah, let's come down to the 4 hour chart. Yeah, these they haven't really adjusted that much. I mean that well. I think we have 10.35. It's a downward projection. Buying pressure has to be infinitely very strong. Consider 663.64. Trend mode begins from 0.25. This is at 670. It is seriously strong, and we have a negative here indicating that yeah, a pullback is it's indicating that the buying pressure has decelerated. It's but even at that, there's still a very high probability that it will be trading above its 10 and 21 period moving averages by tomorrow's trading session. That is tomorrow, the 29th. Yes, and also we have a negative here as well, just indicating that the buying pressure was very, very high, and now it is not as strong as it was before. So we have seen very high upper projections. Let's get back to that and have a look again. 198 is still in play, 198.50. There's absolutely no grounds to justify that projection. There's also 9.61. So it has, on this chart, a very wide range in terms of projections between 9.61 and 198.50. So um, surely, I mean, you can clearly see that it may not be the best to get involved right now. If it pulls back, maybe it might present a buying opportunity, but for now, it is seriously risky and dicey to be getting involved. So I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.